kasngi hakapor kumbakat wei bejim mistep kaladon ka jingalang public hearing hakabaidei bat ka jingpan jingbit ban penhe shushu ya ka company debilat da ka Meghalaya Cement Limited Thangskai is Gianthill district balapanlong haplau Jong ka ni hi ka company Henry kat baga jingalang ka dang ya kumba shispa ne shispa san pawmut ki pajba ki bayaki ki rasdang mantur persya bat thombor bat kharwit naphang ya ka pandal bat ru ya ki shuki ki badon hakani ke jaka Kaladon ru kajing persang wat bantang pelu ya kani ka pandal bat namar kajing don jong bun ki pai ba bat kiriu kinthei bat ru ki khna ha kani ka jaka na kaliang jong ki bor pulit jong ka district kim shimla pandon kam atyar ei ni le jubor banpen pra ya ki pai ba Hadian jong kane na kaliang jong ki bor district kinong mi khmat jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ki bor panya chnong bat kinong mi khmat jong ka company kilapan kinria no ya kani ka jingalang public hearing shakwai pat ka hall ka badon ha kani hi ka jaka Henry hakapor arbaje no phaisngi katei ke kanhun jong kinong yekhi kalawan byang shakane ka jaka ka bathamai da ka jingthmu ban panthut bat panman saw ya ki brew bat ru ya ki tiar kitar wat hadin jong ka jingyai persang ban panjajai ya katei ke kanhun kalanang khambitar shushu bat wanra ya ka jinghu diura hakane ka jaka Hakane ke jingjia kaladon ke jingkawang mau ke belapan maya kiriu pajba kibor penyak distrik batru ya ki pulit pahara haduk bana keliang jong kibor pulit kim ban se ban penun kam dakabor tangkat ban penpra yau pajba Hakane ke jingjia khandai ngut ki pulit ke laman saw bat la register case ya kane ke jingjia halum shnong police station bat ke jing tokit hakabai dei bat kane kadang ya chaprang
Sebut lah. Betul. Kan nak jadi ni. Tengok jadi lagi. Beli asam ke. Apa bordal video problem ni? Kilai semua kerok ada tu. Kilai kerok. Datuk beli di panan lek berok kerok ada ya beli ke bor jongki. Begini. Macam ni. Ha? Beli bagi. Aduh kan nak TikTok beli di panan lek cebor dah. Beli bagi. Ni kuli number 1 jongki. Begini. Jangan saya ini agak jimpang nak ko pungong jangare ga fisherman factory fidai ban bakli kom ka police department betul fidai supporter leporar samudro ajing sumar ka bapaka ya gi khon gi ti gi jongi lam kom ta de thin samat ya ga jing pen saja na blai kan mau bau blai mina o blai on sai ga jing saja pi wat ado ka jing ya bro fidai besul tu so blai besul tu dem dong kerja kesil jok daro Senang sesin ni kuat ya ke sorkar bahkan simkia nak bentak ni ke plan external plan jong ni ke Topcem cement ba ke sorkar kan senyubha ban perkat nak bentak jong ni kum kinong senang ba kan senyubha ban penduk pendam no nak bentak ni ke plan kebadangan long kebakan selong tinggi kerpat nagaliang usiam ru Chief Minister Badan Burom Jong ngikum kinong senang jong ke Meghalaya ba uns nyobha ban pendam no ye gani ka external plan jong kini ka Topcem cement ka ban kabaka kakwa ban pelong biang segawai. Tena kene kijing kerpat ngangit ba ka sorkar kan sya skor ya kijing kerpat jongi kum kinong song snong. Na kata kijing kta ke jongi ha kata ka kot ke khia ke sorkar nga kerpat sajisen ke sorkar tos nyoba ban perkat na ka bentah jongi ha kata ka imlang ka salang.
Yes, you have right to break chairs. Do you have right? Tell me.
Yes, it's not given by the Darbar. It is given personally by the headman. He was given.
Okay. Did you talk to her headman?
We have already talked. We have already given respect, sir. Let us handle this situation with
It's not given by the
We
Darbar.
respect you, sir.
By himself.
We respect you. Please. Thank you. Don't suppress our voice.
No, we are not suppressing. You are breaking chairs, breaking pandals. Now you want to burn it also. No. Somebody is trying to burn the pandal. You think the legal action will not take place?
It's okay, sir. Arrest us if you can.
No.
Arrest us.
Why we don't want to arrest anybody?
But please stop this public hearing.
No. See, you have to understand. No. Kong, listen.
They violate. The Rambashno violate the tradition.
Okay. Kong, this is public hearing. This is public hearing. Huh? No. This is what you are doing. If somebody comes to your house and does that, then so this is somebody's house. This is somebody's house. No. You were given chance to talk. Why don't you talk? Why are you breaking? See, your village authorities have given the permission, not me. Not him. Kong, did SP give permission? Did DC give permission? No. Kong, please.
According to our tradition, the Rangbach Nong or headman can give NOC after they are taking it to the Dorbar. This Rangbach did not take Dorbar, that's why.
Okay. So vent your anger against Rangbach Nong. Why are you breaking chairs and tables here? Did I do that? Then I must. See, do you think we are stupid to pick our hands on ladies? Do we want that? No. But then please don't create such
Sir, we are telling them, don't worry about it.
Please don't create such situations. We are also husbands and fathers.
Yes.
Do you think it
And
is?
tell them not to violate our voices.
Kong,
public voices, sir.
that is between you and your Rangbach
That's
Nong or
why we are
Bahisha
not
Nong.
against you, police. You serve us, we respect you, sir.
Same, you are us.
So they also must listen to our voice.
Please give us the chance to do what we are supposed to do.
Kong, what you are supposed... No. Stopping is not your right. Your right is talking against it. I am appealing to your good sense that yes, you have right to protest, but you continue your protest here. But some of you should go inside and register. I am not saying everybody. I am just saying 2, 3, 4, 5 of you. Huh? You don't want to go inside. Was your legal option? You should have approached district council. You should have approached media.
No one listened to us. No one listened, so we have to protest. Nobody listened to us, sir.
Keep it non-violent. We have no problem with the protest. It's a democracy.
We have complained legally.
We are not violent.
That's
We are
why
not
we
complained,
are showing our law here.
Sir, they did not listen
What is your
to
law?
us. Nah.
What is your
We
law?
have approached the
What is your law? What is your law?
No one listened.
No one listened.
Legally,
That's why we have to go out.
there is
We don't
pollution.
know.
There is a lot of the destruction of this place. We not fit for people to live. We have
Sir,
complained.
see the
But they
affected
don't
people,
listen.
sir. Our
That's
children
why.
are suffering too, sir. You are not staying here, sir. You don't know, sir.
That's why we
are
have to
suffering,
come.
sir.